Hi, welcome to the training session on how to create a message rule in Outlook 2010. My name's Leanne Isaacson and I'm the owner of Inspiring Growth. This video will show you how to organise your emails by creating message rules to move messages into specific folders as soon as they arrive in your mailbox rather than cluttering up your inbox. The first thing that we need to do is open Outlook. So you can see that we've got the inbox and we have a message from Currency Creek Find Fodder. So we need to go to our email and right click on the account that we want the new folder into. We right click and click on new folder. We then type in the name for the new folder. In this case we're going to call it Currency Creek Find Fodder. We hit the OK. So you can see that then a folder called Currency Creek Find Fodder will then be created in your list of folders. And we go to the message that's come in from Currency Creek Find Fodder and we right click on that message. It'll bring up a drop down list and we go down to rules and click on create a rule. So this brings up a dialog box which will give us some options to deal with that message. So we can either choose to have the message rule relating to the actual email address, or it may be the subject, or to me only. So in this case we'll click on From Currency Creek Find Fodder, and then you do have the option to either play a sound or to move it to a folder. So if we click on Move to Folder, and then we go to the folder that we created under the email, which is the folder called Currency Creek Find Fodder. So we click on that and then click OK. So it will then have a dialog box open. So then we click on OK and it will bring up another box saying that the rule has been created. If we click on the checkbox, that will run the rule on the messages in the current folder and we click OK. You can see that it's going through the messages in the inbox for anything from Currency Creek Find Fodder. So now in the inbox, the message from Currency Creek Find Fodder has now gone. So if we go to the Currency Creek Find Fodder folder, you can see that that email now has been moved from the inbox to the Currency Creek Find Fodder folder. And what it's also done is it's gone through the inbox to see whether there was any other messages from Currency Creek Find Fodder as well and moved that into the folder. So now that box has two messages in it and the inbox doesn't have any. So we can go and create a message like a rule for other emails. So if we click on this Go to Webinar and go down to Rules, you can also just click on the top Always Move Messages. So you click on that and then you go to the folder that you would like to move it to and click OK, and that automatically moves that into the folder that you've just chosen. So that also is another way to automatically create a message rule. So that process can really be used for any messages that come into your inbox. So thanks for watching this video on how to create message rules in Outlook, and we hope it's been useful for you. Thank you.